Hey again. Let me solve the homework now. So the homework was whenever you win or the device win, you should be label up your here how many times you win and how many times the device win, and all the time to restart the game for you to restart the game. So by default, by definition, you have a function name to restart. So I would say function name to restart game. Okay, this function will have to do multiple things. If you remember, by default the game starts with multiple things. One of them is who's the active player? 1. So by default you should set the active player back to 1 when you restart the game. What else you need to do? You need this player list and player 1 and 2, you need to be clean them. So you say okay, dot clear. So you don't want to have any previous information about player 1, whatever it select, and player 2, whatever player 2 have select. Okay, now you have these two. What else? You need to reset all these buttons back to the same color and remove all these X's. This will not be hard because you could do it multiple way. You could say for I from 1 to 9 and you reset all these buttons, or you could say you could define 9 of them and reset 9 of them. So I would do it in different way. Whatever you want to pick, I could say I could use this. It's this format, I like it. I say for I or index equal in 1 to 9. Okay, so I want to do this. So or index or cell index from 1 to 9, get that cell index. Now I know the button after for everyone. So for every button I would set everything back. First of all I say text. The text of that button should be set back to empty because I don't need to have any text. And you remember the color, how we set it here? If you see, we set the color here using a resource blue and color white. So I do the same thing here. I say okay, I want to set the color back, but now if you go to the color, I want to use the white color or white. Okay, so I need to use the white. So whenever I want to restart the game, so I would change the active player back to 1. You could switch them, whatever. You want to clear player 1, player 2. You want set all buttons back to be empty. He tell me I have some thing, make it nicer. Okay, you could make it nicer here, but here in this case you needed to do null safety, more syntactic sugarcoat. So now this one will restart the game. When I restart the game, whenever player 1 win or player 2 win. So I should send the winner. Okay, I would say I send 1 maybe here. The winner is 1 whenever the game restarted. Or here I say the winner is 2. Okay, and I make sure I know who is the winner here. Okay, I say the winner. Or you don't need to send it, you just add it to the list directory. Why you just define multiple method and multiple objects? You say okay, you say here you define 2 lists. You said I have a variable player player 1 wins count. It will start with 0. And same thing, player 2 wins count start with 0. And every time 1 or 2 win, you just increase it. So if 1 win, so I say okay, the player 1 equal player 1 plus 1, or you say plus 1. This is a more syntactic sugar thing. Okay, I would go with that one. And same thing if player 2, you just say count for the player 2 win. So now you always know who is the winning and how many times that player win. You could just, for now, just do simple to ask. So say to ask dot make text. You say this, and you send it multiple things. First say player 1 number of times win. So I would say you could mention this way, player 1 counts. So you just want to show how many player 1 wins and how many times the player 2 wins. This is just very simple to ask. I will add a label in seconds. I say to ask dot long always. I love long. Then I say dot show. Okay. So very simple. I should work now. I would assume everything should be fine. If everything should be fine, every time who is the winner, it will restart the game back again. Okay, so everything now started. Now I play. Device played. I played. He say player 2 win the game. Okay, it should say player 1 have 0, player 2 have 1. Okay, and now if I play, oh, it doesn't allow me because everything set back to enable. You see, set everything to disable. We need to make sure we're then and back to enable. If you see, we set here every button enabled to false. So I need to make sure here when I restart the game, besides returning the color back, returning these two things back, I need to return this one to true. Otherwise, it will not. I'm not able to click the button again. Okay, so I play. Device play. I win. Player 1 win the game. I should tell me how many points I have. Player 1 has 1. Player 2 0. That's good because I win and start the game again here and here. Oh, no one win the game now. If I pick, you will have a bag now. See? Now your goal to fix that bag. I know where's that bag located. Part from that bag will be here when you restart the game. When the device play, the device cannot play if there is no player. So make sure you say here if the size equal 0, you just restart the game. Okay? You need to restart the game. This will not solve the other bug. It will solve part from it. But your part is just investigate and see what's the problem. Because I solved the homework for you. Are we done? Thanks for watching.